Hey YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing episode of Pokemon Cards Daily. Today we are opening a Excadrill Drilbur Dragon Frontiers, or Dragon's Exalted, Dragon's Exalted Blister Pack. Think back all the way a few weeks ago when we did a Dragon Frontier unboxing. Found this at Target for $4.95. Here we go. 1 pack, 2 pack. Holofoil Excadrill. It's a rare card. You had to focus as well. And then Drilbur. Set those aside. We have a sampling pack, which I believe has these three, but again, it's a 50-50. Yep. That kind of just ripped right through. We have Katita, Mareep, that's a nice one, and Magikarp with the Dragon's Exalted card list. Is there any ultra rares? Yes, there is. Hopefully we can pull an ultra rare card. That'd be really nice. Here we go. Dragons, well, there we go, just rip it open. Oops, going the wrong way. Alright, we have Minchino, Golett, Electrike, we're going Focus, Ruggenrola, Slakoth, Stunfisk, Zawilius, Roserade, Reverse Holo is a Stunky, and our rare is a Bravery. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and be checking us out for more Pokemon cards unboxing. And check out Pokemon Cards Daily, where we tweet cards, facts, news, updates, all the fun stuff. So again, thank you guys for watching, and have a pleasant day. See you in the next video. Thank you.